It's Lord Rick of the Paranormal Ghost Society. I am at the police station, the Jackson Civic Center, and I was at the Electra Run Road that follows the Muckalumne River, and me and Tammy decided to do a little fishing, and we locked up my truck, as you can see, and when we were fishing, we came back. All my paranormal equipment's been robbed. My voice recorder, my EMF detector. It's disheartening because I don't have money to replace it, and I worked so hard, and I just lost all my recordings from the last 40 investigations, and you could never have that back again. You know, all the scientific work we gathered, it's gone. It's just completely gone. And, I feel, you guys have no idea how bad I feel, because every time I try to do something good, I get robbed, whether it's by strangers, I don't know, or it's people that are in my society who take, and they don't want to give back to us. They just take, and so we've lost all our cameras, we've lost the EMF detector, our tripod. I mean, they basically went in the car, went to go fishing, locked up. They came into the car just outside of Jackson, California here, and they stole everything. My medication, my wallet, they stole my cameras, they stole my equipment. And you're talking to a very depressed and sad founder of the Paranormal Ghost Society, because I've just lost like 1,000 EVPs on my recorder, and I can't have those interviews and things back, you know. I can't have them, and I'm very sorry, and it hurts me so bad, because I do a lot of traveling, and I go out into secluded places, and today I went somewhere secluded hiking and fishing, and looking for big footprints and things of that sort, and I come back and Tammy's purse is gone, my camera bag's gone, my equipment bag's gone. They basically I don't know if they jimmied the door, but they came in through here, and they reached in, grabbed my wallet, opened the back door here, stole the bags of equipment, and my keys to my house. I mean, all my personal information they took, and I could imagine that there'll be issues on the internet because of this, so I'm documenting it. It is currently July 2nd of 2011. I am at the Jackson Police Department. We're waiting for Tabby's money and debit cards has been stolen, and it's just a really messy situation right now, because we're out here in Jackson. We're trying to bring you guys paranormal investigations, and we've gotten robbed on one of these investigations, and it's horrible that you could go out to a secluded area, beautiful hiking place along the Muckalumne River, just outside of Jackson. You can come back to your car and find out that somebody who ransacked your vehicle stole everything that belongs to you, your hard work, all the money you spent building this society, and it's all gone in a blink of an eye. This is Lord Rick. I'm very depressed, and I'm signing out. And of course, on YouTube, you can click dislike on this one too. I know that it feels so good to put the guy that works so hard to help other people and to work with other people and do this paranormal stuff, and we risk every weekend. We take risks, whether we get hurt, robbed, or whatever, and this is just another downfall to the Paranormal Ghost Society. It's very disheartening, and we're at Route 49 and 80. I'll keep everybody posted. Here he comes.